I just made an app where you can talk whatever and share whatever. Let's try it. And here we go, yaps.chat. First, let's write new private chat, and now we can here get a code. Now click, and now it's copied. Now you can share with your friends, and now your friend can enter here and just join your chat. Now as you can see here, 2 people in go. Now you can talk whatever and share whatever, everything end-to-end encrypted and never stored. The idea is here, refresh to delete. For example, I can talk, hi, what's up? And here we go. And here, yo, what's up? Yo. We have several options. For example, you can copy the message, or you can just hide the message, or you can just delete on your end. I can delete my friend's message. Just click this and boom, it's deleted. Yo, now to delete this, just refresh. Click here, now chat deleted. And here you can see user left the group chat. Nothing is stored, everything end-to-end encrypted, and now we can track or record the message. I can again join the similar chat, for example entering the code. Now here we go, I just joined it. Yo, back. We can also share the images. Images also end-to-end encrypted and never stored. Okay, let's share this image. Let's enter. Here we go, I just shared the image, and here as you can see we can enlarge it and see it. Yo, what's up? Yo, this is Mark. Okay, never mind. We can also hide this image, and yeah, we can also copy this image and see the full version. Yep. We can also delete on our end. Yeah. And we can also refresh to delete. Done. Go to yaps.chat, try it out yourself and have fun. Now we can track literally